Join me as I dive into the chaotic world of the stock market and try to predict what's coming next. The stock market has been on a wild ride lately, and it's no secret that investors are on edge. With prices fluctuating wildly and uncertainty reigning supreme, it's hard to know what to do next. But that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. One of the biggest challenges investors face today is the sheer unpredictability of the market. Volatility is through the roof, and even the most seasoned professionals are struggling to make sense of it all. It's like trying to navigate a minefield. One wrong move could blow everything up. And to make matters worse, there's no clear direction or guidance coming from the top. It's like everyone is just winging it and hoping for the best. The result is a market that's more akin to a roller coaster than a rational investment vehicle. And if you're an everyday investor, it's downright terrifying. I mean, who wants to wake up one morning to find out their life savings have been wiped out overnight? The volatility is only exacerbated by the constant stream of mixed signals coming from the economic data. One day it's all sunshine and rainbows, the next it's doom and gloom. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. You can't make sense of it all. And don't even get me started on the interest rates. They're like a seesaw, constantly going up and down with no clear direction. It's like the Fed is playing a game of economic whack-a-mole, trying to solve one problem only to create another. And then there's the investor sentiment, or lack thereof. Everyone's got an opinion, but nobody really knows what's going on. It's like a giant game of telephone, where misinformation and rumors spread like wildfire. And that's what makes it so hard to separate the signal from the noise. I mean, who do you trust? The so-called experts on TV, or the guy on Reddit who claims to have a hot tip? So, what's driving this chaos in the stock market? Well, for starters, it's all about the economic indicators. GDP growth, inflation rates, unemployment numbers, they're all over the place. And that's what's causing the volatility. I mean, when the fundamentals are uncertain, the market gets spooked. And then there's the interest rates, which are like the ultimate market mover. They're like the strings that control the marionette, making the market dance to their tune. And finally, there's the investor sentiment, which is like the market's emotions. When people get scared or greedy, the market responds accordingly. But what's going to happen next? That's the million-dollar question. Well, in my opinion, we're due for some sort of correction. The market's been running hot too quickly, and it's only a matter of time before it comes crashing back down to earth. And when it does, it's going to be ugly for many overpriced stocks. But that's not all doom and gloom. In fact, I think it could be a major buying opportunity for those who are prepared. I mean, when the market crashes, that's when the real investors step in and start buying up the bargains. So, what does it all mean for you, the everyday investor? Well, it means you need to be vigilant and stay informed. Don't get caught up in the hype or the fear, stay calm and rational. And most importantly, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, diversify, diversify. That's the key to surviving this market madness. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on what's going to happen next in the stock market. Leave a comment below with your predictions, and don't forget to check out my other videos on investing in the stock market.